Hey everybody, this is Charles Heron with DroneSense, product manager. We're wrapping up day 2 at Airworks, the DJI conference. We had an excellent keynote speech this morning from Ryan Bracken, our Chief Product Officer. He announced our general availability for our remote product, and we just had a lot of great customers and a lot of great feedback today. Thanks for coming out. We'd love to see you tomorrow and come check out our booth, have a conversation, get a demo of the remote product so that we can show you all the cool features that we built into it.